Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for May 1 to 15, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So, let's see what's coming to you, Taurus. And happy birthday, happy solar return sa inyo. I wish you all the best in life. Happiness, success, good health. Ayan, so let's see. Ano ang energies for you, Taurus? May 1 to 15. 10th house, career, North Node, and Scorpio. Wow. So, you are going to focus on your career path, no? Yung inyong trabaho, business. Some of you, pinupursue nyo ngayon yung inyong life's purpose, yung inyong destiny. Maaring pinag-iipunan nyo na ang future. Kumbaga, very serious kayo towards your career path. Scorpio energy is someone na very much dedicated sa kanyang craft. Someone na talagang tinatransform niya yung kanyang sarili sa pamamagitan ng pagtatrabaho, pagbe-business. So, maaring may mga changes happening sa inyo in your career path, your business. Ngayong first half ng May. So, you have action. So, this is taking action. You are finally taking that step, no? Kung meron kang goals, may dreams ka, talagang inaayon mo yung ginagawa mong action doon sa mga goals mo, sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. Wow, you have abundance, Buffalo. So, meron ditong kasaganaan sa needs mo, mga pangangailangan mo. You will be given, bibigay sa'yo yung iyong pangangailangan. And may evolution, pagbabago. So, talagang transformational for you ang first week ng May. I feel like something is ending. May tinatransform ka, may tinatapos para makapagsimula ng bago. And I feel like this is going to bring you abundance, prosperity, blessings. You have the Wheel of Fortune, no? Energy shift. Okay. So, some of you, maaring merong parang may iba kang landas na tatahakin, no? Let's say, for example, ikaw ay nagbi-business, maaring babalik ka sa pagtatrabaho, or meron kang ibang negosyo na sisimulan. Or vice versa. You also have the Two of Pentacles. So, meron kang pagsasabayin na sources of income, pagsasabayin na trabaho, multiple streams of income. So, iba, nagtatrabaho ka and at the same time may negosyo ka or meron kang side hustle. Maaari ring meron kang major decision in terms of your career or your job, your business. You have the Queen of Swords. Someone na maparaan sa buhay, maingat, marami siyang mga pinag-iisipan or pinag-aaralan sa kanyang sarili or sa mga actions na kanyang gagawin. You have the Three of Wands. This is expansion, growth, pag-unlad ng iyong sitwasyon. You have the Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning, definitely, na magsisimula for you. Pag iba sa inyo, this is an opportunity elsewhere. Opportunity abroad. Yung iba, kung may bala kayo na maging seafarer, maaring magsisimula to for you. Yung iba naman may explore kayo na passion ninyo na maaring matagal nyo nang gustong gawin. And now you finally have the courage na may lakas ng loob ka na to do it. Meron ka ng inspiration. Ace of Wands is also a source of excitement. So, pwedeng merong exciting new beginning for you in terms of a new opportunity sa trabaho, career, or even sa iyong relationships. Okay, let's see what else. Persevere and you will overcome problems. So, ito yung pagpupunyagi. Ma-overcome mo or malalagpasan mo yung mga pagsubok. You also have love. So, maaring this is practicing self-love, self-care, or even relationships. Pay attention to your finances. So, meron kang pag-uukulan ng pansin pagdating sa pera. Pwede may pagkakagastosan ka ngayong first half ng May, or may pag-iingat na gagawin sa iyong kaperahan. Opportunities are waiting for you. So, merong pintong magbubukas para sa'yo. It's like a door of opportunity, a new path na iyong tatahakin. I think this is in alignment of your destiny, yung purpose mo, kung saan ka mas passionate and inspired. Great happiness. Wow. So, I think itong new beginning for you, this is going to bring you happiness. This is going to bring you excitement. Tingnan natin ano tong i-overcome mo. 9th house, this is about learning. So, maaaring meron kang kailangang aralin, explore, puntahan na lugar na ma-overcome mo. What is love? Love is 2nd house, which is your passion or also your sources of income, yung career mo or yung pinagkakakitaan mo. So, the more na mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, yung trabaho mo, yung pinagkakakitaan mo, the more abundance yung darating sa'yo. Okay? So, love what you do, love your work, because eventually, your work will love you back. Oo. Pay attention to your finances. 11th house. Okay, minsan kasi maaring masyado tayong mapagbigay financially. And may mga pagkakataon na kailangan maging maingat ka sa mga taong tinutulungan mo kasi may mga times na nagiging abusado sila or tina-take advantage na nila yung kabutihan mo. Okay? So, be very careful sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo sa pera or kung saan mo dadalhin yung pera mo. You have to make sure that yung iyong pagkakagastusan is something na alam mong may katuturan. Or merong patutunguhan. Ayun. Ano tong door of opportunities? 1st house, which is about yourself. So, I think you are attracting opportunities ngayong first half ng May na kung saan babago to sa iyong paniniwala about yourself. I think meron kang i-improve sa sarili mo. This can be physical changes sa physical appearance mo, the way you carry yourself, no? Sa paraan ng paano mo dalhin ang sarili mo. Yung iba naman, this can be increase in your knowledge or ng iyong skill set, abilities na mag-o-open ng bagong opportunities for you. Great happiness, 3rd house. I think sa friends, sa community, sa connections mo with others, dyan ka makakahanap ng happiness, fulfillment, dahil alam mo na yung mga tao na nakasama mo or nakasalamuha mo ay talagang sumusuporta sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, happiness rin to sa mga natututunan nyo or napag-aaralan nyo dahil gusto nyo yung mga bagay na nalalaman ninyo. 'Di ba pag meron kang interest, no, tapos gusto mo talagang palawakin yung kaalaman mo diyan, masaya ka kasi nag-accumulate, dumadami yung iyong mga impormasyon na nalalaman mo tungkol sa bagay na yon. And eventually you feel good about yourself kasi mas nagiging confident ka dahil marami ka nang alam, marami ka nang kayang gawin. Rest, renew, recharge. What does your body crave and need right now? So, may mga pagkakataon na you will feel na parang nakakapagod, you feel na parang you need to take a break. So, wag mo rin naman na abusuhin yung sarili mo, yung katawan mo. Kung kailangan mong magpahinga, 'di ba? Dahil dyan ka nakakapag-regenerate. Dyan mo mas, kumbaga sa nare-recharge yung sarili mo. And some of you will also spend some time in loving yourself, taking care of your needs, and also yung may mga gagawin kang activities na makakapag-replenish ng iyong lakas, and also will bring in more energy sa'yo na to work or to do better. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.